Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn container widget or container class in Flutter app development. Container is like a box to store contents or widgets. It is a convenience widget which combines painting, positioning, and sizing of the widgets which could be nested in it. That means it can be used to store other widgets and position them on the screen according to our app requirement. Container box can be given a border of different shapes, size, for example, rounded rectangle. It also has a properties to position child with sizing on the material design. Some of the common properties of container widget are child, that is any other widget which could be nested in the container, color to set background color of the container box, width and height. The size of container box can be specified as per our requirement. If it is not used, then the container takes the space which could be required for its child. That is as per the child widget requirement. For example, text. As per the text requirement, box will be created. Margin used to create empty space outside the container box. It uses edge insets class. Padding is used to create empty space inside container box from the border to its child. Alignment is another property to position child widget within the container box like center, bottom, right or left. Decoration used to decorate container box, that is border of the box, but both color and decoration properties cannot be used together. Either of them has to be used. Transform property to rotate container box. So we can rotate the box around x axis, y axis or z axis. Now we will see how to create container or use container class in our program. So this is default code that already we have written. We can make in previous code as well, only I have changed app bar name. Now in the body I'll type body and use container widget as a container class. In the container, that already it has property that we have learned, so I am using child property. In the child property, using text, I am passing some message, and if I run it, it will be shown similar message what we have done till now. The output will be same that we have seen in a first video. Hello world app video. We will change font of this by using style property of text widget, and in style property we'll use text style, through which we change font size and font weight. Colors will change using color property of container itself. So we'll use font weight dot different thickness. We'll use font weight dot bold. So font of the text will change, that already we have said. Now we'll use color property to change the color, that is inside container, not in the text widget, inside the color widget. So we'll use at the top before child, using color property colors dot any color. For example, I'll use deep orange. or orange. So background color is changed. Same we could change in text as well, but we want to use other properties. Now other properties of container. I'm trying. Okay, no, it must be given inside container, not in the text widget or text class. So we should come out of the text, and after text we have to write height property, height and width properties. So in the height, suppose I'll give 100, and in width uh, we can give for example 200, and if we run, box of height 100 and width 200 is created, and the text widget or text message which is displayed using text is at the top left corner. So now we'll use one more property, that is margin. Margin using edge insets dot. These are the different options. All, if you use all and some value, for example 20, so empty space outside of the box, outside of the container or around the container is created of 20 pixel. Now you will use another property, that is padding. So padding also use edge insets dot. We can use all, for example some value, suppose 30, so it will leave empty space inside container. Now the string is too big, only hello is displayed. We can use another option in with in edge insets from LTRB, that is left, top, right and bottom. So in place of left I'll type 10, from top 20, from right 30 and from bottom 40. That much space will be left. So from left it will be leave 10 spaces, top 20 spaces, message will display like this. Now width can be changed to double dot. There is option double dot infinity, so it will extend this to the end, but if you see 20 spaces will be left outside of the, that means 20 spaces left around the box. Now one more option, property, that is alignment, to align the text inside the container. So it uses alignment class. If you use alignment dot, these are the different options: center, bottom, bottom left, bottom center. We can select anyone, for example bottom left, and if you run, text will be shown from bottom left, but it is just because we have used padding. So just make the comment to that padding, and then we'll use alignment class. So if you use bottom center now again, so it will display our message, text message at the bottom center, at the bottom and center of the container box. We can change it to bottom left, so it will be shifted to the bottom and left corner of the container box. If you take center, so message will display at the center of box. So like this we can there is one more property, decoration property. using decoration, we can use border decoration class, and in border decoration we'll pass border property. Through border property we can set border dot all, that is the border shape and size, color and shape of the border. So border dot all colors dot we can give black, but it will give error because in the explanation I already told that both color and decoration property cannot be used together. So first of all we'll have to comment color property, and when you execute, now color is removed because color property is commented. Now border is created. Okay, so we'll come use color back and comment decoration property. Now we'll use one more property, that is transform, to rotate box or container box around x-axis, y-axis. For that we use matrix 4 class dot rotation x, rotation y, like that. So if you use rotation x, that means rotate around x-axis, but it is will pass some value 0.02. It will not be that much visible because around axis we couldn't find. We use around rotation around y-axis, even it will just show little bit movement. So we'll use rotation around z-axis, which is noticeable. So here it is rotate around z-axis. Transform like this. We can use container class or container widget in our app. Thank you.